Welcome to the ultimate, beginner-friendly guide to the top 5 cashback credit cards available worldwide in 2026. If you want to get real money back on the things you already buy every day, you are in the right place. Across the next few minutes, you will learn exactly how these cards compare, which one fits your lifestyle, and how to avoid the common traps that cancel out your rewards. A cashback credit card is a type of credit card that pays you back a small percentage of every purchase you make. Think of it as a permanent discount on your spending. For example, if you spend $1,000 on a card that gives 2% back, you earn $20 in cash rewards. Different cards reward different categories like groceries, dining, or travel, and the best ones can earn you up to 10% back on specific purchases. Every card in this ranking was judged across 6 key criteria. The cashback rate carries the most weight at 25%. The annual fee contributes 20% because a fee can quickly eat into your earnings. The welcome bonus, flexibility, perks, and global acceptance each play a meaningful role too. This balanced scoring method makes sure the winners are not just flashy, but genuinely valuable in real-world use. Coming in at number 5 is the Chase Freedom Unlimited. This card charges no annual fee and earns a steady 1.5% back on every purchase. On top of that, you get 3% on dining in drugstores and 5% on travel booked through Chase. New cardholders receive a $200 welcome bonus after meeting a modest spending requirement. It is a fantastic beginner card because the rewards are automatic and nothing complicated to track. At number 4, the Citi Double Cash keeps things beautifully simple. You earn 1% when you make a purchase, and another 1% when you pay off that purchase. Combined, that gives you a flat 2% back on absolutely everything, with no bonus categories to chase and no caps to worry about. With zero annual fee and an 18-month introductory period on balance transfers, this card is a rock-solid foundation for any wallet. Holding the number 3 spot is the American Express Blue Cash Preferred. This card is a grocery and streaming powerhouse, offering 6% back at supermarkets and on streaming subscriptions. You also get 3% on gas and transit. There is a $95 annual fee, but a typical family spending around $100 a week on groceries easily earns enough to wipe that out and still take home hundreds in cashback each year. Number 2 on our list is the Capital One Savor. If you love dining out, streaming, and entertainment, this card was built for you. It pays 4% back on restaurants, streaming, and entertainment, along with 3% on groceries and a massive 8% on tickets booked through Capital One. There are no foreign transaction fees either, making it a superb companion for travelers who love food and experiences around the world. Taking the top spot at number 1 is the Chase Sapphire Reserve Flex. Yes, the $550 annual fee looks intimidating, but the math is extraordinary. You earn 10 times points on travel booked through Chase, 5 times on flights, and 3 times on dining anywhere in the world. Add the $300 annual travel credit, premium airport lounge access, and a $1,000 welcome bonus, and this card delivers unmatched value for anyone who travels regularly. Here is the full comparison at a glance. For pure simplicity and no fee, the Citi Double Cash leads the pack. The Amex Blue Cash Preferred crushes everyday family spending on groceries. The Capital One Savor dominates restaurants and entertainment. And the Chase Sapphire Reserve Flex remains the unrivaled choice for travelers willing to pay the premium. Each card shines in a different lane, so your best pick depends entirely on how you actually spend your money. Here are 6 golden rules to get the most out of any cashback card. First, always pay your full balance every month, because interest will destroy your rewards. Second, stack multiple cards strategically by using each one in its strongest category. Third, activate rotating quarterly categories so you never miss bonus earnings. Fourth, use your issuer's online shopping portal for extra cashback. Fifth, redeem for direct cash to get maximum value. And finally, never overspend just to chase points. So which card should you pick? If you want no fees and effortless rewards, go with the Citi Double Cash or Chase Freedom Unlimited. If groceries and household bills dominate your spending, the Amex Blue Cash Preferred wins every time. And if you travel often and value premium perks, the Chase Sapphire Reserve Flex is unbeatable. The best card is never the flashiest. It is the one that rewards how you already live. Spend smart, pay in full, and let your card work for you.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.